Xiamen Hongyu Intelligent Technology Company, Limited was established in 2007, is located in Xiamen, China, covers an area of 2,000 square meters. The company has more than 200 employees. We offer advanced die high-speed stamping, advanced die heavy metal stamping, engineering support, in-house tool manufacturing, rapid prototyping, water jet cutting and automated part assembly. Products involved in automotive, communications, photovoltaic new energy, aviation, medical electronics, smart home appliances, IC, 3C products into the fields of stamping die casting. We have 30 high-speed punching machines imported from Japan, 40 CNC machining centers, Western and Mitsubishi slow wire, spark discharge, forming grinding, large surface grinding machine, cutting machine, hydraulic shears, precision grinding machine, digital display milling machine, radial drilling machine, CNC machining center, CNC lathe, welding robot into the high-on processing equipment. With nearly 2 decades of industry experience and technology, we have a number of patents and innovative processes in the fields of mold design and manufacturing technology, stamping technology, semi-solid woodwork new technology, precision CNC machining technology and so on. Products are exported to Europe, the Middle East, Asian market. In terms of quality, environment, management and safety, Hongyu has passed ISO 9001, TS 16949, ISO 14001 system certification, fully ensuring the stability and consistency of product quality.